Okay, you want to see the secret blend I've been using that I think is like the greatest solution that I think ever encountered. Dawn Heavy Duty, talked a little bit about this. Luke gave me that idea. I have 3 gallons in here right now, so this may be a little much. I usually do 4 to 5 gallons of water, but about a good 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of Dawn Heavy Duty. That keeps your suds really, really good throughout the whole entire day. And then just a little bit of Myers. That's it. That's all I do. And then 3 squirts of Dawn Professional Heavy Duty Degreaser. Boom. And I'm telling you, that is the best solution I've ever found. I know I always say that, but this time it's for real. Everything's frozen. So bear with me and this new camera. It's something totally new to me, so videos might be weird for a little bit, but it's gonna get a lot better. Something really cool, I won't show you everything on it, that we've had this year. Fuel Man, if you can see that there, hopefully it gets in focus. Fuel Man card is a credit card in which you can use for your fleet, and where it tracks all of the gas and mileage, and you put the mileage in when you get the gas, so it's really good for your like CPA or taxes at the end of the year. So that's been something really cool we've implemented in 2019 that's made that whole part a lot easier, which is weird to talk about, but I just want to talk about anything and everything to do with the business that's just made 2019 a lot easier. My damn sleeve. It's still frozen. All right. Okay, so definitely my favorite bucket on a belt this year would be the Xero Silencer. This is it after, geez, how long now? Long time now. Almost used this for 8 months. Still perfect shape, doesn't leak, nothing. Goes great on my belt. So it's definitely my favorite, bucket on a belt for 2019 for sure. Did I just put that on wrong? Oop. Favorite pole for traditional work 2019 is Xero Trad, of course. Can't really even see that anymore. But the Xero Trad is great. This is the original one that I got with the Xero Micro. Still works great. These are the original clamps, everything. If you are having problems with these clamps and you have the originals, what you need to go do is you need to go through your pole and tighten each one of these Allen wrench bolts. Go through, tighten that to where they're like this on the outside. I'll put some more images of this. Tighten all those up, and I swear to you, your pole will look a lot better. And only get your clamps where you can open them like that, and that's all they need to open. They don't need to be fully like that, just like here, and you still get all your movement just fine. So definitely my favorite traditional pole of 2019. Favorite drink of 2019? Mingo Loco Monster. All right, let's talk about my favorite squeegee of 2019. Ettore Brass 18-inch with the Mormon Accelerator 2.0 handle. So many possibilities with it. You can do so much cool stuff with it. That makes the job so much easier. Rubber wise, I tried Black Diamond a lot, but favorite rubber definitely, this is pretty much of all time, Ettore rubber. Ettore rubber is just overall the best. I like Black Diamond. Black Diamond is really, really good for the price, but Ettore is just the highest quality as far as what I think. Sleeve wise, Ettore Pro Plus, Microfiber sleeve, my favorite sleeve. But something cool, you know, that's going to be happening is the handy sleeve from Make Your Products. That's an 18-inch handy sleeve. I got a video about it. I'll put a little information thing right here about it. But they're going to be coming out with 18-inch handy sleeves and possibly these microfiber things that go over them. So these could be your new sleeves, and you can change about, put different kind of pads on them. They'll be really, really cool. Something else I found really, really cool this year as far as sweatshirt wise, Mo's Bagels, one of our accounts, gave us these awesome sweatshirts. They're the Carhartt Rain Defender sweatshirts. They're awesome. Super, super warm. You only need one layer. They come in like a full zip down, a half zip down. I'd highly, highly suggest these for the winter time. And then also for headphones, I would highly suggest getting the Apple Earpods. Super, super easy to use. Put them in here where they recharge at, and I lost one in Branson, Missouri. We're at the huge convention, bought them again that day. So super, super nice, don't fall out of your ears, really good on ladders, just really good everyday headphones, especially for working out, whatever. I'd highly, highly suggest them. As far as my favorite tool belt that I've used this year, this is not it. I need to put together my maker belt, which I'll be putting together soon, and that's going to be really, really nice because that's a Trident belt, which is a 3-lock belt buckle there, which is really nice. But I would highly suggest this this bag holster, tool holster thing. This thing has been really, really nice. It's the nicest one I found so far. Hoping to find more new ones this next year. But towels in the middle. I got business cards right here. A little bit. Oh, don't use those. You can hold this in really nice. The handy sleeve, and then 6-inch squeegee goes up front. Towels in the middle. Steel wool back here. Have a magic eraser right there, and then I can even put my head GoPro right there. And then it has like a little thing to move on the belt really, really nicely. Put my putty knife right there. I have a track brush and a water key right there. Rusted out water key. So that's my favorite tool holster that I found in 2019 for all the other stuff that's not squeegees and washer sleeves, but it works really, really nice. I would say too, like, as far as YouTube goes, you know, what are my favorite things there that have happened this year? I would have to say Branson was awesome. First year was really good at the convention. Second year was really good. What was cool about this year is that from the previous year, where there was like so much animosity going on between a bunch of different groups of people, everybody came together this year, and that was really, really cool. So, you know, at the convention I got to meet, like, you know, TJ, Luke I got to meet in May after knowing each other for so long. That was really cool. That was one of the highlights, I think, of just meeting him. When you meet somebody in person that you think you know from online stuff, it's so much different meeting them in person and finally putting, you know, how they are away from the camera, how they are away from work, how they are away from, you know, different stuff we've done together. And that changed my outlook on a lot of different things this year, and it was definitely a major highlight. I think my two favorite YouTubers of the year in the window cleaning would be Mike the Glass Guy and T Squeegee. Mike the Glass Guy that guy has just an amazing ability with videography. Really better than anybody out there right now as far as this whole window cleaning thing goes. And then Squeegee, TJ Gilbert, same guy. That guy has the best personality, I think, of anybody on YouTube. Why he has the best personality? Some people don't agree with him because of he'll use foul language sometimes. I mean but he is a window cleaner at heart. He is as real as it gets. He's just an honest, truthful person who says exactly how he feels. So if you want 2 channels to go check out Mike the Glass Guy and check out the Squeegee channel. I know they're having a Christmas special here soon, and they're going to be giving away a lot of stuff, so that's going to be really cool. So just wanted to add that in there, because if anything, that's been a big highlight of this year, is just being able to meet so many people. Mike Nichols, it was awesome getting to meet him. God, there's so many different people. I know I'm forgetting quite a bit, but also, you know, what's been really cool is the outreach to me of this year has been so insanely more since last year that I've gotten to meet a lot of people through talking online. And if I haven't got back to you and I haven't answered questions, I apologize. I apologize. That's all I can really say, right? So another thing that I've really gotten into are these kind of things. And what are these? These are like pad holders. This is the handy sleeve. This is like the Techno Pad from Ipc. And one other one I've been using with water fed pole is the Unger one also. I haven't used this one as much, but what's cool this year that it may have been out before, I don't know, is that these two work on traditional pole real well. So I've been using this stuff a lot this year, and it just helps. And especially using bronze wool, it never rusts. I don't hardly use steel wool anymore. I maybe go through 2 packs in a whole year anymore, because we use bronze wool pads the most out of anything else, and it just does a great job on homes. It does a great job with restaurants, and a lot of these pads have that felt back to it, which make it really easy to put like on this handy sleeve. And that is definitely something I would say I really enjoy from this year, and has made the job a lot easier. Favorite food item that I have found in 2019? Oh yeah, Popeyes chicken sandwich. I had Aaron try these when he was out here from Australia, and he fell in love as well. They're way better than Chick-fil-A. They're just, oh yo. Whoa. Okay, so my first favorite water-fed product in 2019 was the Xero Pure X2. Xero Pure X2 is a double RO pure water purification system. It's got the carbon filter in the back, the DI in the front, and not much different than the regular Xero Pure, but just puts out a lot more water. So this thing has been awesome. It's a little workhorse. So from there, going to what's my favorite pole of the year. Favorite pole of the year would definitely be the Xero Pro Gold Ultimate 40. This is an ultra high modulus pole. It's just awesome. I just love it. I've always loved ultra high mod. My first ultra high mod pole was the first Xero Ultimate, and I got that like 2.5 years ago or something. And this thing is just awesome. I love the Micro for residential, but this has just been my go-to pole for everything and anything. Houses, everything. It's just been it. Again, what I did to this, and I've done all my poles, my trad pole, and I fixed every pole this way, was I went through and tightened all of the Allen wrench bolts. Just tightened them pretty hard. I don't know if you can see that there, to the point where that's coming out there, and all of them worked great. So they just open to right there. You can move everything in and out, right? And everything works perfect when I've tightened all the Allen wrench things. So I did have spinning before that. Just went through one day, tightened all of them, and perfect. Some of my favorite brushes of the year, always bore hair. I'm gonna do a video next on just understanding water-fed brushes, so that's coming up. Favorite accessory, bronze wool DA component. That's not new to this year. None of this stuff's new to this year. What is new on this is the that rinse bar. That is the Xero rinse bar, also facelift rinse bar. You find it at windowcleaner.com. The flow is really, really nice out of them. Very, very even. A little bit more even than the Tucker over the top rinse bar, but it's plastic. You know, they can really, really vary. So I don't want to say that, you know, one is really extremely better than the other. This is the new Xero hybrid brush you can find on windowcleaner.com. This is very nice as well, as far as very similar to the Tucker hybrid brush, but just made by Xero, right? So that was another nice brush as well. And I've really gotten into brushes like this that are a little bit more softer, really good for maintenance cleans. This is just an Ipc Speed Brush. I don't even think this is out yet, but this is something really nice too. When you can get good flex out of the bristles, it's really, really nice for commercial clean, especially maintenance. It just flows on the glass real nice. Where these do too, but these are just a tad bit stiffer, especially the Tucker ones. These are DuPont bristles. I'm not sure what kind of bristles these are. But that's pretty much it as far as water fed. As far as accessories go, there wasn't much else that I used throughout the year. But I want to show you my Christmas decorations real quick, because I think they're cool. So here are all the decorations for the house. Got that top roof line done, got the gutter line done, got frosty, gingerbread, all the windows done in green. Check this out. See this little controller? Let me see here. What did I do? Oh, I gotta go over to the, watch this thing change. Oh yeah, America. America, America. Blue, green and blue, red and white. Oh, that's pretty cool. I wrapped all the trees from the base with red and then white on the top. Did my tree over there. Did that post. The post kind of looks like shit, but this thing, that has to be the coolest part about the whole entire thing. Got the green bulb, the red bulb. I know it's not truly professional, but it looks pretty freaking good to me. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy my Christmas lights. You all have a good night. Happy holidays.